It appears teachers in St. Paul will not go on strike tomorrow.
Overnight, a tentative deal was reached between the teachers union and the school district. The deal came after a 13-hour negotiating session yesterday. The union plans to hold a meeting tonight to review the contract offer. While we don't know what's in it, the union did release this statement online saying, quote, "We made progress that will improve our public schools. We won supports for our students, especially our English learners and our students who receive special education services. We defended our class size language and strengthened the commitment to restorative practices." St. Paul Superintendent Joe Gothard, who was involved in the mediation sessions over the weekend, said he was relieved and happy to have reached an agreement. He also said both the district and the union feel passionately that our students deserve the best education we can give them. This is a strong step in that direction. Before this overnight development, teachers had threatened a strike starting tomorrow morning. Now, the last time St. Paul saw a teacher strike was in 1946. Stay with WCCO as we learn more about the deal and wait to see if it's approved.